up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. This episode 2 is Road to 500 horsepower on our 2024 Subaru WRX VB TR. Let's get into it. So the first PLM Performance product we put on was the axle back exhaust. So this is a muffler delete, all right? So this one comes in 2 pieces. First off, you got to take the really big muffler that Subaru came with, and you got to replace with no mufflers. Even with a muffler delete, it was already insane, man. It already sounded pretty good. We also did our J-pipes or slash downpipe, and after that we also put on our mid-pipe, and recently we just did our equivalent headers, which looks pretty nice and sounds even better now, y'all. And it's way louder, I would say. Loud, but good loud, all right? To top it off, we have our PLM P660 Turbo. This is our very own PLM Turbo for the WRX VB TR platform. Guys, dynoed all the PLM performance products that we have on this car, and this is how the dyno went. Let's hear it. This is loud. Everything's PLM here. Headers, mid-pipe, downpipe slash J-pipe, and axle back exhaust. Oh my goodness. Made 243 first run, 245 second run, third one 242. All right, guys, so we do have some interesting news right now. So now we have the equal length headers, we have the mid pipe, we also have the downpipe slash J pipe, or the other way around, and we also have the axle back exhaust. Literally just no tune, stock turbo. For some reason, we are only making around 245 or 246. There's nothing to be worried about. We have a lot of things that we're planning on the WRX. This is just one of the first steps only, guys. The goal for this build is to hit 500 horsepower. We can't wait to get in there. Mark our words, PLM is going to make a 500 horsepower WRX VB, or more than 500 horsepower. Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna cut the video here. Just want to showcase something to you guys. So you guys saw for the past clips, we dynoed our PLM WRX VB TR shop car, and it only made 242, 245. It was averaging mid 240s, right? Prior to this, the setup that we had was the axle back only, and also the J-pipe downpipe. But now we made 250 horsepower on that. And right now that we added the equal length headers, we also added the mid pipe. Now we're all bolt-ons underneath the car, and we made 245 was the highest. It was pretty interesting on our end. And also FYI, if you guys did not know, we are running Dynapack on our dyno. For some reason, our Dynapack actually runs a little bit low on the numbers, but again, we're not tripping out about this. There's nothing to be worried about. The car does not have any tune at all. The turbo was actually not installed yet. We also want to make sure that we tune the car first before getting to the higher numbers, right? Something actually came a few days ago. So we partnered up with one of our PLM dealers in the East Coast, in Maryland specifically. They're called Felix Performance. Shout out to Anthony and also to Mel. You guys are amazing. Thank you for sending these stuff right here. So I'm going to show you guys what we have. Yes, in order for us to reach the 500 horsepower goal, we decided to go with Cobb Tuning because they highly recommended it. They've been tuning cars and reaching higher horsepowers just by using Cobb, right? So let's open this up for y'all. ASMR stuff. I'm just kidding, guys. First, we got this winter ice air fresheners from Felix Performance. Thanks, PLM guys. Melanie. Again, Mel, thank you so much for including this for free. The Accessport is not free, by the way, guys. And if you guys are also in Maryland, make sure to reach out to Felix Performance. If you have a Subaru, they have one of the craziest WRX VBs. So reach out to Felix Performance for sure. All right, let's get to the good stuff right away. Here it is, guys. This is one of the parts that we need to reach the 500 horsepower. Yes. A lot of you guys are already familiar with Cobb tuning. Again, if you guys want to reach to a certain power for your car, you guys would definitely need a tune. Super excited to have this installed. We're also going to do remote tuning. First things first, we have all the PLM bolt-ons, including the P660 Turbo. This person is going to be on live call with us. We're going to be doing all the logs, both groups. We're going to see how much numbers we're going to make with the PLM bolt-ons, including with the tunes. Can't wait to get this done, guys. We're actually scheduling with them sometime next week already. So it is December 13th. We only have a few weeks before January 2025. Hopefully we get this done before January 1st. But before we end this video, I want you guys to just check all these videos out in the next clips. These clips are all POV driving from the PLM WRX VB, axle back, mid pipe, equal length headers, and even the J-pipe downpipe, guys. So enjoy these clips. I'll see you guys in the next video.